Hello viewer, are you facing Play Store not working? Let's see how to fix Google Play Store not working. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out Apps. Click on Apps. Now search Google Play Service. Tap on Google Play Service. Scroll down and click on Storage. Now clear cache data from Google Play Service. Now go back. Again search Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store. Scroll down and click on Storage. Now clear cache data from Google Play Store. Now go back to your phone setting. Tap on your connection setting. Now check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is stable. Now go back to your home screen. Restart your phone and then reopen it. So follow all of this steps to fix Play Store not working.